successful in your life, who want to achieve the milestone into their life. I think everybody want to be a successful person into all walks of his life. But if I talk about the reverse of the success, and that is the failure, that is the rejections, right? Who want to be a failure? Who want to accept the rejections? I think nobody want to be a unsuccessful person. Nobody want to be a failure person, and nobody want to be a rejected from anybody, right? So, do you think a person who gets success in their life, in our society, if we talk about the globally, those people who get the success, massive success in their lives, they ever faces the failures, they ever faces the rejections? If I'm giving here the 3 or 4 examples who become a prominent figures into the society, into the world, and they become famous globally, everybody respect them. But if we go back into their early days of their careers, early days of their life, they were big failures, big failures. People rejected them so badly that if they were not able to manage their failures, they won't become successful in their life. First example, I talk about the Jim Carrey. He is a comedian actor in the Hollywood, but his initial days of his career, he was rejected by many film directors. Nobody want to give him the role into their movies, but he was so determined, and he became a superstar. He became a maximum earner actor in the Hollywood industry. Second, Jack Ma. Jack Ma is the owner of Alibaba.com. He got so many times the failures, so many times the rejections. He applied for Harvard University. 24 students from his society applied for the same course, same education. 23 were selected, but one person is rejected. That was Jack Ma. He applied for the job into KFC. Out of 13, 12 were selected, 1 were rejected. That was Jack Ma. He take the failure as a learning and turning point in his life. He was determined that he become for some big things, not for these small things. If we talk about the author, the best motivational author, Jack Canfield, his first book was rejected by 143 publishers. They straightway refused to publish his book, Chicken Soup for the Soul. They were telling that this book is complete a crap, it is a complete nonsense, nobody is going to read these short story books. But he was determined that this book is going to be a big change into the society, to the humankind. And you will be surprised by knowing that that particular book, 50 lakh books were sold around the world and published in many languages. Now we come to 4th example, the prominent and eminent figure. He is Amitabh Bachchan. He was rejected by the directors by telling that your voice is so heavy voice, you cannot become an actor. Your height is so big, you cannot match with the current industries of our heroine's trend. But he never take the failures as a backstab. He always take the failures as a strength, and you become a witness that as on date he is more than 75 years and he is the most selling actor into the Bollywood industry. His voice, he translated, he gave the voice to many documentaries. That becomes marvelous. When you get rejections, when you get a no from anybody, how you are going to convert your no? No, if we split the word N-O. N means next, O means opportunity. That means next opportunity. So always, whenever you get no, always give a pat to your back and say, thank you God, you have given me the next opportunity. I will prove myself. I'm not going to fear from my failures. I'm going to take lessons from my failure. If we get a failure into our life, what should we take it as? What we learn about from the failures? When we get a failure, what we have to do? The first thing, we have to face our failure. Second point, we need to accept our failures. Take the ownership of your failures. I want to tell a small story about Dr. Abdul Kalam Azad. जब उनकी पूरी टीम सैटेलाइट लॉन्च पर लगी हुई थी, पूरी 2 साल की मेहनत के बाद वो लोग सब लोग रेडी थे अपनी सैटेलाइट लॉन्च करने के लिए। उस वक्त अब्दुल कलाम आजाद जी उसके प्रोग्राम मैनेजर थे और उनके साथ 25 साइंटिस्टों की टीम उनके साथ काम कर रही थी। सैटेलाइट जैसे ही लॉन्च की, सेकंड स्टेज में ही जाते ही वो सैटेलाइट फेल हो गई। तो सब लोग बहुत मायूस हो गए। मीडिया, सब लोग, देश के लोग, दे पीपल स्टार्ट क्रिटिसाइजिंग Abdul Kalam Azad, his team and the program director. At that time, program director has taken the ownership of that failure. He go and face the press and take the full responsibility of that failure. That this is my failure. Again, after 1 year, in 1987, the satellite was launched again. This time, it became a massive success and India became a respected figure in globally, that is going to be one of the respective team member across all the successful companies. They have launched their satellite. This time, the program director asked Shri Abdul Kalam Azad ji, go and face the media. He has given him a very good lesson. Whenever there is a failure, failure is of the leaders and the success is of the team members. So always take the ownership of your failures, right? And third point, what we learned from our failures. Do the RCA. RCA means root cause analysis. Root cause analysis, go back where you have, आप कहाँ चूक गए, उस चीज का आप एनालिसिस करो। हम लोगों को अगर सफल होना है तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट ये है कि जीवन में अगर आप कोई गोल निश्चित करते हो, एंड इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू अटेन दैट गोल, प्लीज डू नॉट change the goal. Always try to change the strategy to achieve that goal. So I am concluding this video by saying that failures are not bad. Failures are always eye openers, where we lack into our hard work, where we are lacking our strategy, where we fail. We need to see the things, we need to analyze, and we become a massive successful person. If there is no failure in your life, that means your success is not your success. Thank you.